in personal care products, but also in nutritional supplements. So he dedicated himself to creating spectacular products unlike the world has ever seen. Products that use evidence-based nutraceutical and botanical ingredients known to be of scientifically proven biological value in the most concentrated strength and form possible. Products that avoid potentially harmful ingredients found in common off-the-shelf brands. Products that use only the most pure, potent, safe, and effective ingredients that nature has to offer, combined with other synergistic ingredients to achieve maximum results. Sizzle has a very diversified product line from hair care to anti-aging to dental care to timeless minerals to the most powerful, highly saturated liquid nutritionals in the market. Sizzle helps you take back your health, but it can also help you take back your wealth. Today's economy has put too many people on shaky financial ground and led to tremendous uncertainty. Sizzle offers every person a chance to earn extra income simply by making healthier lifestyle choices and then helping others to also live a healthier and more balanced life. Sizzle offers a compensation plan that's not only unmatched, but unheard of in direct selling before now, paying out an unprecedented 67% to its associates. You heard right, 67%.